Hello, if you have issues with mobile data network not working properly on POCO X7 Pro, then here's what you can do in order to try to fix this issue. So first of all, we can open the settings and go to mobile networks. If you use two SIM cards at the same time, you want to make sure that the data SIM is selected to the correct SIM card, because in some cases, if you use two SIM cards at the same time, there might be some issues due to exactly that. So you want to choose the correct SIM card that you wish to use, and of course you need to make sure that the mobile data option is enabled as well. So be sure to check that. If none of this helps, if the issue is still there, or if you don't use two SIM cards at the same time, you only have one, then in that case you can do a simple trick that works most of the time, and I hope this works for you as well. And what you need to do is, in the settings, you want to go to more connectivity options, and over here you want to scroll down a little bit to find reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. Now over here we have the information what will be reset, so this includes Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth, which means that if you had any Bluetooth devices connected to your POCO X7 Pro, then you will need to connect them again. And if you were connected to a Wi-Fi connection, then of course you will need to connect one more time as well. And this resets the mobile data, of course. Now, if you once again have two SIM cards inserted, then you can choose which SIM card should be reset. You can do, of course, for both. I mean, first you do for the first one, and then you select the other one. If you don't have two SIM cards, if you have just one, then you probably don't see this option. And at the bottom, we choose reset settings. You need to enter the screen lock password and then confirm that you want to do that. And there we go. That's pretty much it. This, I hope, helps. Now we need to go back, of course, and go back to mobile networks. And once again, we need to make sure that the mobile data is enabled, because after the reset, it will be probably turned off. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.